Imagine the vast, endless expanse of the ocean. It's a place where mysteries abound, and yet we only know a fraction of what lies beneath the waves. But recently, something strange has been happening beneath the surface. Unsettling occurrences, the likes of which have never been seen before. Deep-sea creatures are appearing in unexpected places, whales are washing ashore in mass strandings, and ancient myths are suddenly becoming more believable. No strange happenings under the sea, what the ocean is trying to tell us. What if the ocean was trying to tell us something? What if these strange occurrences were more than just random events? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world's oceans to explore some truly bizarre happenings that are leaving scientists scratching their heads. From the sudden appearances of the mysterious oarfish to the alarming rise in mass whale strandings, we'll unravel the facts behind these unusual occurrences and examine what they might mean for the future of our planet. Let's start with the creature that has fascinated sailors, scientists, and even mythologists for centuries, the oarfish. This long, silver, snake-like fish is often called the messenger of the sea god in Japanese folklore, and it has a reputation for being a harbinger of disaster. Historically, oarfish have been associated with earthquakes, tsunamis, and other natural calamities, but could there be more truth to these tales than we realize? In 2011, just weeks before the devastating Fukushima earthquake, several oarfish were spotted near Japan's coastline. The sightings ignited theories that these deep-sea fish may rise to the surface before major seismic events. While it's a captivating idea, there's still no scientific consensus linking oarfish appearances to earthquakes. Some researchers suggest that underwater pressure changes from seismic activity might be forcing these creatures to come closer to the surface, but with no solid proof, the mystery remains unsolved. But oarfish aren't the only mysterious sea creatures that are acting strangely. Take the anglerfish. Known for their eerie appearance, complete with glowing lures used to attract prey, these creatures are typically found in the darkest depths of the ocean. But in recent years, anglerfish have started appearing in much shallower waters, and it's sparking concern among marine experts. Anglerfish are deep-sea dwellers, and they are highly adapted to life in extreme conditions. But now, with rising ocean temperatures and changing currents, we're seeing species like anglerfish migrate to unfamiliar habitats. This is alarming because it suggests that something is disrupting the delicate balance of the deep ocean ecosystem. Could climate change be the cause of this disruption? Rising ocean temperatures are shifting the balance of marine life, forcing creatures like the anglerfish to adapt in ways that could have significant consequences for the entire marine ecosystem. Now let's turn to another disturbing trend: whale strandings. In recent years, mass strandings of whales have become more frequent, leaving scientists and environmentalists deeply concerned. Just last year, over 150 false killer whales washed ashore in Tasmania. Most of them did not survive. There's no single explanation for why whales are washing up in such large numbers. Some suggest it's due to sonar interference, while others believe the whales are getting lost because of changing ocean currents. Whales rely on sophisticated navigation systems that use natural ocean signals, and when these signals are disrupted, it can lead them astray. Whether it's noise pollution, changing magnetic fields, or climate change altering ocean currents, the rise in whale strandings points to a larger problem. Our oceans are changing, and marine life is feeling the impact. Which brings us to the big question. Is climate change the driving force behind these strange happenings? Experts agree that climate change is having a profound effect on the world's oceans. Rising sea temperatures, melting polar ice caps, and shifting currents are altering the very habitats that marine life depends on. As the oceans warm, coral reefs are bleaching, ecosystems are collapsing, and species that have lived in specific environments for millions of years are being forced to relocate or face extinction. The deep sea, a place where very few humans venture, is becoming increasingly unpredictable. We're seeing a rise in unusual behavior from deep-sea creatures. Many of these species have lived in stable environments for eons, and sudden changes in water temperature or pressure are forcing them into unfamiliar territory. If these trends continue, we could be looking at massive shifts in marine biodiversity. And it's not just scientists who are noticing these strange events. Social media is flooded with posts speculating that the strange appearances of deep-sea creatures and mass whale strandings are warning signs of an impending disaster. But while these theories are intriguing, they also distract from the real issue at hand. While myths and superstitions have always surrounded the ocean and its creatures, we must focus on the undeniable evidence. Our oceans are in crisis. Whether it's pollution, climate change or human interference, the balance of marine life is shifting, and the ocean is trying to tell us something important. So, what's next for our oceans? The strange and unsettling events we've witnessed so far may be just the beginning. Scientists are continuing to study these patterns and their causes, but one thing is certain: nature is sending us a message, and if we don't act soon, the consequences could be dire. It's not too late to make a difference. By understanding the signs and taking action, we can help preserve the delicate balance of our oceans. Whether it's through reducing carbon emissions, protecting marine habitats, or investing in sustainable practices, the future of our oceans depends on us. The ocean is vast, mysterious, and sometimes unpredictable. But it's also a living, breathing entity that sustains life on Earth. It's time to listen closely. The ocean is trying to tell us something. The question is, will we heed the warning before it's too late? Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more updates on our changing world. Know more. Be more.